Okay.
So started?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my dog. Okay. I'm doing hubba. And never mind, okay. Hold on. Okay. I'm scared. Again. It's like all gooey.
That's because it's gooey.
Down here, though. Dude, look. Wait, oh, it didn't pop. Okay. Okay.
Ew. Oh my gosh. Swish it around in your mouth.
I choked.
I saw. That was a waste.
I can't close my mouth.
Why?
I don't know. I'm frozen. I'm still drooling.
Oh, that was disgusting.
I can't feel my mouth.
Why'd you choke?
I don't know. You should do it.
Huh?
You should do it.
Fuck no.
I'm still drooling.
I see. You had your mouth on it and everything. Your drooly
Okay,
mouth.
don't stop it. We're gonna try this again.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, and you see the puddle?
Yeah. Ew. Ew.
Okay.
What? For real?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't stop it.
Take Kibbles. He likes going bye-bye.
He farted too. Go bye-bye? Go bye-bye. Mom!
Bye-bye?
Mom!
Go bye-bye?
Mom!
Who's here?
Mom!
Who's here?
Mom!
Baby, I love you.
Okay, anyways.
Oh, yes.
Just I'm getting the food. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom, help me!
Oh.
Wait, what? Cheese quesadilla and 5 layers?
Yeah. You look like the Blair Witch. Oh wait, that didn't make sense. Okay. Oh, you sick fuck. Ah! I'm gonna gag.
I'm crying.
You deserve it. Ew. Oh, fucking A.
Oh yeah, you can stop it.
Okay.